Khloe Kardashian is being harshly criticized over a selfie that she recently posted to Instagram. Yes, I'm about to do an entire IO about a selfie. Who knew a selfie could stir up this much drama? But this isn't just any selfie. No, it's not. I got the tea, and I'm gonna spill it after I drink it here for you on IO. Hey yo, what's gravy fam? Welcome back to another IO video. For those that are new here, I am so happy the YouTube algorithm brought you to our channel. Hello, I'm Charlotte. This is the channel that tells you about what's trending on the internet. So subscribe and pour yourself some Earl Grey and settle in. Okay? Okay. When I first saw Khloe Kardashian's selfie where she debuted her new look, as some people are saying, I was like, wow, okay, there's gonna be some backlash. I know this for certain. Her face looked completely different. She looked noticeably thinner and her hair was totally different. She looked amazing though. I'm not denying that. She looked really, really amazing in this photo. But she also looked unrecognizable. I knew that there was gonna be backlash. Like I waited 15 minutes and then all of a sudden all of those like exposing celebrity Photoshop accounts started posting side-by-sides of her. I knew it. And I knew I was gonna talk about it this week on IO. Here are the side-by-sides. Khloe Kardashian selfie next to what she looks like when she's photographed by paparazzi and red carpet photographers. That's different. She looks different. That's all I'll say. I'm gonna say more, but anyways. Part of me was like, okay, maybe she got like a ton of work done. Maybe she has been working out a lot and she lost a bunch of weight. She does look noticeably thinner in that photo, and losing a ton of weight would make your face look different. I mean, look at Adele. Look how different she looks after she lost all that weight. I'm not sure that losing all that weight would totally change the shape of your jaw though. Like it'll definitely change the shape of your squishy here, but not the literal jawline. You can't shave off your jawbone. I think you can only shape it to look a little bit more, refined. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not an expert on plastic surgery by any means, but I'm pretty sure they can't get rid of your jawbone. There was also very obvious Photoshop in this photo that was pointed out by social media users. If you look at the necklace she's wearing, she accidentally blurred out one side of it when she was editing, so her necklace only has one string. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that Khloe Kardashian is an avid user of Photoshop. All the Kardashians are. She uses it a lot more than everyone else, I feel like. I honestly think that she might do this because of insecurity. I mean, look at the rest of her family. The Kardashians are the ones setting the modern beauty standards for women, but they all use Photoshop. I feel like she feels like she has to use editing apps in order to keep up with her sisters. It's heartbreaking though, like it's sad that she feels like she has to do that. But I mean, it's like she gets backlash if she does and she gets backlash if she doesn't, so. Now, I will be honest, when I first saw this photo, there was a lot of backlash in the comments. It seems that Khloe has been deleting the negativity and all that's left is pretty much people just praising her, including Tristan Thompson and her mother. Here's what I could find on Twitter. First of all, Khloe Kardashian gave herself an entire new face. She took the touching up to an entire new level. Second of all, she forgot to Photoshop her necklace chain too. Girlie, you ain't fooling anybody. I know the Kardashian family is 50% Photoshop, but that Khloe Kardashian picture is f***ing scary, dude. Does Khloe Kardashian have someone to just Photoshop her pictures into the next dimension, or... That one was a little funny. Khloe Kardashian, you really don't need Photoshop, sweetheart. Okay, call me crazy, but I kind of feel like Khloe Kardashian and Tana Mongeau are using the same editing apps. Maybe not lately. Tana Mongeau's been pretty good about it lately. But remember when Tana posted that photo of her from the red carpet and she looked completely unrecognizable? Here's a screenshot of the photo that she posted next to a side-by-side shot of the real photo that was taken by Getty Images photographers. Kind of looks like Khloe Kardashian's recent selfie, doesn't it? Like they're both kind of missing part of their jaw. Anyways, just my opinion. I sort of feel like all of them are using like special apps that you can get in Korea or something like that. This kind of thing isn't uncommon for social media users in like Asia. They've been doing it for a really long time. It's just like, it's crazy to see how drastic it is. Anyways, tell me what you think about Khloe Kardashian's recent Photoshop fail down in the comments below. And while you do that, I'm gonna wrap this one up with some quick comment replies. Joy said, I wish I was as productive as InformOverload on my channel. I now see why I'm always looking for subscribers. Thanks, IO. I'm not sure what you mean by that, but you know what? It's okay. Just be productive. Keep making videos no matter what happens. Keep at it. You'll be great. Jessica Sanderson said, must be some slow news today. Have you seen the list of stories that I have to get to today? It is a lot. We got a lot of news coming this week for you guys. A lot of news. It's gonna be crazy. Anyways, guys, that is it for me. And make sure you leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you want more of our videos, and I will see you guys next time.